Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tech Kanda, and today we'll continue our series on C and be looking at the topic of enums. So you might be wondering, first of all, what's an enum? Okay, an enum is C is simply a way of organizing a set of data, so it can be easier for you to use or manipulate. And we'll go back, we'll go deeper into what it means actually, and we'll implement it. Okay, so we're in our console now, and we'll go over to code blocks. So I had a project opened here. Oh, okay, so I will create a new project. We didn't know to do this in our from our tutorials. Console application C. We can give it the title enums. Next, finish. Okay, once again, if you're joining us for the first time on this channel, so this channel is a tech channel where we talk about technology and how it applies to our daily lives. And we've started a series on programming. So if you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share with your friends and family so this content can go more popular and actually benefit other people. Okay, I'm going to expand this so you can see it better. Expand. Trying to work on the expansion. It was quite easy the last time. I think it's been settings, environment. View. Um, should be in editor. So okay. So here now in code blocks now. So we now do this already. So I'm not going to explain what all this does. It's just a waste of time to explain it. H int main. Um, so today I'm going to be working with enums, and as I said earlier, enums is a way of simply grouping data and stuff like that. So it helps you work with data with variables or data more easily, and I'll show you what exactly that means. So we can start with enum. To initiate an enum, write enum, then use brackets. Okay, so you have to give the enum a variable name. But when I was playing with this, I tried to notice that it's not necessary. But for depending on what you want to do, is wise to give a variable name. So let's not give a variable name for this instance. So we can give in the bracket now. We take curly bracket and a semicolon. We can write a bunch of things inside this. So what I'm trying to say is that in this enum, we can assign several variables into the enum. Okay, let me give an instance. We can write ibk, comma, ntk, comma, ola, comma, vy, comma, and these are actually going to be all variables. So if you go ahead and run this, you can actually to run it printf, we use the running function. Why is not popping up? Printf percent ibk. I think it should go now. If we build and run this code, it will give us 0. Okay, I have not actually explained why to give us 0, but what I was driving at is that even though the enum did not have any variable in between it, so if I record one of them that was inside this bracket, it's say executed. But you know, wondering why I give us 0? That's because in enums it always starts from 0. So instead of starting from 1 upwards, every variable you assign without giving it a value, the computer will just take it as 0, 1, 2, 3 to the amount of variables you've written. So what I'm saying is that IPK here is equals to 0, ITK here is equals to 1, OLE is equals to 2, BUY is equals to 3. So if I put ITK here and I build and run this, it will be equals to 1. If I put OLE, it will be equals to 2. Now, we understand that part already, that everything starts from 0. Okay, so we can also explore the enums more. We can simply assign this to whatever I want, like 45, and let's see what happens here. IBK. If we build and run this, it gives us 45. And watch something else here. If I put ITK and build and run, it give me 46. Okay, and why is that? That's because we assign the starting point of the variable line or variable chain, if there's something like that. Yeah, you can think about the variable chain or number chain to 45. So the next thing to think of is 46. That's the next number after it. Then this one will be 47, this one 48. And the beautiful thing about this is that if I assign this to 45, I can still store anything inside here. So I can assign this to, let's say 0 by is the next variable after OLA. Okay, it gave me 1 as my answer here. That's because that's loading. Okay, that's because ITK will be 46. Then instead of OLE being 47, we assign OLE to go up to 0. So to continue to the next digit after it, that'll be by. Okay, so we're clear on that right now. Now the next thing we're going to look at is the fact that we can actually assign other variables to the enum and work with them. So what I'm saying is this. We can simply say enum v2 equals to. So for us to do something like this, you have to assign the enum to a variable itself. So we can assign everything here to a single variable. So for us to use this single variable here, we just say v1, v2. So as like this is a subset of this, if I can put it that way. And if I put this here, and I'll say v2 equals to ibk printf. I don't know why printf function is not working. It should work. Anyway, and we say v2. If we build around this, it should give us an answer. So you give us an answer. Our answer was 0. So you can assign v2 to any variable inside here. So far I was telling you that v2 is going to look for what variable inside the v1. I'm not trying to. I don't want something complex. So far the original enum, it's in this line of code here. So we can set v2 to also, we can say v2 equals to ibk. I think I use v3 to free equals to e bring f v3 bring f v3. Okay, so it worked. It prints 02. That's because, okay, it's printed this one at the first line. It's getting two things. So remember what I said, if you want to print a next value on the next line. Forward slash n, then build around this. So you printed this at the second line. You printed 0 at the first line, then 2 at the second line. There's not supposed to be a space. That's correct error. Okay, so this one we just found out. For some reason, it's giving us a space in the second line of input of output. I guess it's just a computer error. Anyway, I don't think this is really used as in assigning multi-variable from one But that's to you can probably just say v1, v3. Yeah, that would be better off for you. I think you should stop the gapping problem. Control C, this. v3 equals to should work if you build and run. It still gives us a space. I guess it's just the C approximation error and stuff like that. Okay, so that's that about that for today. So just look at enums. Once again, I thank you all for watching and joining us today. If you love this content, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and also share this channel with other people. Thank you for watching.